Hallelujah, hallelujah. Hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it can be frustrating to just tie a bandana onto your head like a headband, but I'm right here to make all that easy because it's as easy as ABCD. And as we dive into that, please like this video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, and make sure that you do subscribe to my YouTube channel because you do not want to miss out on any upcoming tutorial. Here it's all about beauty tutorials and a lifestyle, okay, style and beauty. So let's dive into it. The first thing you need is the bandana, definitely. And where's mine? Okay, here is my bandana. That is the first thing you need. And so note this, for this particular style you can either do it with your hair at the back or held, okay? So if you're going to choose to have the headband with your hair held, you need something like this, a hair clip or a hairband to just hold the hair. And the last and not least thing you need is this, a comb to comb your hair. But if you have rasters, braids, and name them all, well, it's all easy. You just hold the hair or just let it lie towards the back. So let's dive into it. I really hope you've already liked this video, and remember, as the video continues, I'll be giving you a bonus link to more amazing tutorials, okay? The first thing you need to note is that there are two ways you can actually decide to have your bandana big or your bandana small to have that elegant look that you desire, okay? So let's kickstart with the first one with our hairs lying just like that. So just comb your hair. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Ever since I applied my mother's hair oil onto my hair, it is behaving. Look at it. If you compare it to the other videos. Anyways, with your bandana like this, make sure the inner side is facing towards the front, or rather just place it on a flat surface, and then the inner side to be facing towards the top. So with it like this, you just pick one side, this side, to go all the way down to that particular side, and then you have something of that size, okay? If you need it to be a large headband, what you do is you just pick the lower side, the one with the tip like that, and then fold it like that. Now that is the largest size. Let's see how it looks on my head. So I'll place it there, and then you make a knot at the back. And then you have something like that, but this one seems to be like too big. Like this video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, just tell someone about this channel. Well, let's make it smaller, the same way, in the same size that it is. You just make another fold towards the center like that. Let it not touch the lower side as per se, and then you have something like that. Cute, simple, smaller. This is the medium size. And so then the next thing we do is that we're going to place it onto our head. The side that you have made the fold should lie onto your hair, okay? If you have a forehead, place it on your forehead. If not, just place it just above your eyebrows, and then make a good knot, a tight knot at the back. And as easy as that, you have your first kinda headband, okay? Remember, you can always make it to be smaller depending on how best it looks on you, okay? And so on that, I want us to do it with our hair held at the back. Also, you don't really have to always hold the hair at the back. You can also hold the hair here at the center. Actually, that style looks amazing when you hold your hair at the center. And maybe it's rasters, braids, I don't know, locks, all those at the center twist. It just looks amazing. So up to that point, I think I love the outcome of that size. But now let's now hold the hair together at the back. Please, I really appreciate it if you've liked the video, if you've watched this far, that like will do me good. Please just like the video. You can also talk me in the comment section. Tell me, do you like it? Is it helping, or should I just shut up and get the hell out of here? So please just like the video. You can talk to me in the comment section and subscribe. You can also push the hair at the back and have your ears being seen like that. There's so many ways of styling bandanas. That's why I'm telling you guys to make sure that you do subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be exploring all that. So let's go to the next manner. Now I want us to just hold all our hairs at the back. They've already settled. Okay. I prefer holding mine like that, you see? Yeah, so you can release your tail whichever way you want. Release the tail or just hold it like that. All in all, I know you look amazing. So the same way we did the bandana, folding from the top to bottom, is the same manner we are going to continue. I don't know if you still remember. Let me just show it to you real quick. Okay, so here you go that way. Okay, and then you pick this tip, bring it to the top like that. This is just a quick recap. We did up to that point, we made another fold. Now we want it to be little, really small, the small size. We have done large, medium, now we're going to the small size. So all you do is just make another knot. And you have it like that. You can also just look at how the best side of your bandana, the most pretty, and then you can decide that one. In this case, I'm not limiting you to which side you lie onto your head. Okay, front side of the head. Okay, so we did like that. Now we need something like this size, you see. So is it the same size? Yeah, exactly, absolutely exact size. So you just place it onto your head like that, and then you can choose for it to be under your ear or above like that. You see, this side is below, this side is above. You just decide the one that looks best for you, and so then you make your knot below. Remember, before when our hair was released, we were making the knot on top of the hairs. Now in this case, we are going to make the knot below the hairs. Now here is where the difference comes in. So that for also the person who's actually holding it here will also have an easy and ample time. You can always make 2 knots, but just make sure you make a knot that you'll be able to untie after going about your day or after going about your night. So imagine it's just like that. And practically the small size does not only limit you to your hair being held at the back. I don't know which one you prefer. You can talk to me in the comment section. And also remember, for the bonus link that I told you about, I'll be placing it in the description, whereby you can just click on it and then you'll find yourself onto a playlist where we have more amazing tutorials that you can always choose from for another day. Okay, and so with a hair like that, we can always choose to stay that way. I don't know which one you prefer, ears out, ears in, which one? Anyways, either way it looks cute like that. Let me just release the hair now on top of our knots like that, and then comb it. It actually looks good. It looks good. So the back, the bandana at the back, when you place it below the hairs, it's not seen. So the thing is, if you choose to have a red bandana, you'll be looking like you have a red headband. If you choose a white one, then you have like a white white headband. So thank you so much for watching this far. You talk to me in the comment section, tell me what do you think, do you love it, and if you've watched this and it was helpful to you, please share out there, just tell someone about this channel. Yeah guys, I'm here for you anytime. So also that way I like it. Like, let me, which one do I prefer? Ears in, ears out, ears in. Yeah, now there's a balance. If you've watched this far, I love you so much. Thank you. Just click right here to get to more of my tutorials. Okay, click right here. I don't know, big, small, or large, medium, or the large one, I don't know, or the extra large one. Either way, for each day I can choose. Maybe today I'll do like the small one, tomorrow medium, the next day extra large. So for today I'm going to stay like this, but I want my hair held at the back. I don't know why, I just want my hair held at the back for the day. Yeah, now with it like held at the back, I'll have my ears out. You look good, baby. Yeah, I know. See you on the next one, guys. I love you.